Paneer is Indian fresh cheese and similar to cottage cheese. Unlike other cheese varieties, paneer has a very short shelf life. There are several health benefits to consuming paneer. Paneer is high in magnesium that helps in reducing cramp. The potassium in paneer plays a key role in balancing the fluids in our body. Paneer also aids in the prevention of osteoporosis with its high levels of calcium. Paneer is protein dense and is recommended as a fat burner in many of the weight loss programs. Be cautious though if you have a sensitive digestive system or if you are lactose intolerant, then you may experience some amount of bloating or indigestion. If you choose to use a store-bought paneer, make sure you check the label for the animal source, fat content and the sodium concentration. Paneer making is such a simple process that I prefer making it at home myself. Let me show you the process of making low-fat paneer. To make paneer, I first boil 1.5 liters of cow's milk. I let it cool down and then refrigerate it. The next day, the cream floats to the tops, which I strain it and leave it aside to make butter on another day. Omit this step if you're using low-fat or fat-free milk. Bring milk to a boil again and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of lime juice, or you could use 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And the milk will curdle, so the whey, which is the liquid, will separate from the curd. Strain it in a colander or a cheesecloth and let it rest for a couple of hours. In a few hours, you will be left with paneer which you can cube or mash depending on your recipe.